Hi all, welcome to the Urbi Academy. And today we are going to see how to install and start the Apache2 server in Ubuntu 22.04. And first, what we are going to do is we have to update the local package index with the command sudo apt update. And next, and we are going to install the Apache2 package with the command sudo apt install Apache2. And after that, if you want to perform this third step also, you can perform, or else you can check once the second step is done, you can directly go ahead and you can check the services active within a command. How we can check sudo systemctl status Apache2. Okay, and this will tell whether it is the up or the not up. If it is your you can start and stop and also restart the Apache with the following commands. As of now, I am showing it to you guys like the manually, and we have to do the practical also. I am going to show you the practical how we are going to do. In the next video, I am going to show you one scenario based question which has been asked in the intro recently. I'm going to tell you that also. Okay, let us see which command we are going to use. Sudo systemctl, then start and Apache service name. Sudo to stop it, sudo systemctl, the stop and Apache2. Sudo to restart it, sudo systemctl restart and Apache2 service name. Okay, let us go ahead and execute this first command. Let us see what is going to happen. I have the command here. Okay, I have connected through the putty to the Linux machine. Okay, I'm going to execute this. Okay, because sudo I am see here. It is updating all the packages. It will take little bit time. Okay, you have to wait for the few minutes, guys. It is doing the all the update. It has to download and it has to check the all the things and it has to do the update. Yes, so now the reading the package list done, building the dependency tree done, 31 package can be changed, run apt list, upgradable to see them. It has been updated. Okay, now we have to throw the second command. What is that? Sudo apt install Apache2. We need to install. Before installing this, we need to check whether it has been there in this Ubuntu server or not. I will show you that. Okay, you can see. Okay, unit Apache 2.0 service could not be found. If it is there, then it will show the status whether it is active or disabled, and other status it is going to show. It is not there only systemctl, it is not there. That is the reason we are getting the error like the unit Apache 2 service could not be found. Now I'm going to install that. What is the command we need to use? Sudo apt install Apache 2. Okay. Now I'm going to use this command. Okay. And reading the package and installing. Do you want to continue? Yes. Type. Okay. Downloading. And download. Download it is happening. You can see the patching the detail and installing the packages. And you can see all the progress bar 45%, 90% completed. 7% is pending. It is installing the systemctl. Okay, and soon creating the links. Apache 2 or 2 server, it has been created. Okay, and it is on only 3% pending. Man DB, and it is creating all the services. Earlier Apache 2 server Apache 2 service was not there, na? It is created now. Processing the from libwin and db. Okay. Now, still it is taking little bit time. Please wait. And it is going to complete soon. If you have the Ubuntu server, you guys can also install and you can practice also. And the Devops guys also should be aware about these things. So how to install and how to uninstall, how to start, how to stop, and how to restart the service. The interviewer, they are going to ask this question. Okay, that is the very, very important. Now it has been done. I will clear everything. So now I will check. Okay. So check the service is active with the command. It should be active now because we have installed, and if it is not active, then the status it will also show. See here, active and running. What is the status? Apache 2 server, the Apache HTTP server. Okay, active and running. Okay, and CPU 20 milliseconds, G group, all the steps it is showing. Okay, and okay, and now I need to perform this activity. Start the system Apache2 and stop. So before doing that, I need to stop this, right? So let me throw this. To stop it, the sudo systemctl stop Apache2. I'm going to do it. Okay, and see here, it has been stopped. I will show you like the status. Okay, can see here inactive dead since at what time 1958-22. Earlier see the 1956-23 it was there 1 minute active was there 8 seconds, so it was inactive state. Okay, and up to make it up we have to throw the which command. We need to start command sudo systemctl start Apache2. Okay, sudo systemctl start. Okay, see here. Now you can check the status. Okay, throw the command status sudo systemctl status and service name. Here my service name is Apache2. Okay, see here the active running this timing. Okay, and if I want to restart, and it will not be doing any kind of like the stop all the steps, but just we are going to use this systemctl restart command. Okay, sometimes without taking the down website we need to do this, and sometimes we'll be trying in the real time also. Please keep in the mind. Okay, and you can check the again status. You can see at the 1959, 1959, 53. So active from 3 seconds ago. See here. Earlier, at what time it was up? 19, 19, see here, 1959-07, it was up. Okay. After this, I have thrown immediately restart command. Then it has stopped and again started, right? So 1953, it has been started. Okay. Yeah, this is the end of this Apache server installation in the Ubuntu. If you have any questions, kindly comment on this video. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you, guys.